Hello everyone, thank you so much for tuning in today. My name is Julie Oliverius, and if you're someone that regularly uses a crease color, or perhaps you don't and you're kind of curious about how to use them, kind of what colors to choose and what they do for your eye look, then stay tuned because today that's exactly what I'm going to show you. So as you can see, I've just created this really nice light look for my eyes. I've got on this really pretty neutral brown shade that I am absolutely in love with, along with this fiery apricot color called Lively. It is my new favorite transition color, although Gingerly is still one of my very favorites. It's just a little more of a caramel color versus this a little bit brighter color. And then up top here, we've got a color called Timid. It's a very nice light base color. So as you can see, I've created a really light look. So what I want to do is on just one eye, I'm going to go ahead and add a crease color, and then I'm going to step back and let you guys see the difference that makes. So the crease color that I'm going to be using today is this beautiful matte maroon shade. Maroon is a fantastic way to change up your makeup look without investing in a lot of new colors. It's a great addition to using those browns or in place of browns. So what I'm doing is I'm using a crease brush. This brush is small. It's not very flexible. It doesn't blend terribly well because it is meant to be applied and used for just in the crease of your eye. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I'll go ahead and apply to this eye here, and then I will step back and let you see how adding a crease color can be a really nice addition to your eye look if it's not something that you already do, or if you're even just looking for a new color idea. Instead of using browns, blacks, grays, maroon is an excellent color choice. So you just kind of work this back and forth in this little windshield wiper motion here. I'll take it down all the way over, but not as heavy. I like it a little heavier out here. Personal preference. See? And that's it. So as you can see, I step back here, the difference that adding that crease color can make for your eye look. It's a really simple way to take like a day look like so and make it more of a bold evening look over on this side. So that's it for today's tutorial. I just want to show you real quick what a crease color can do for you. If you've got questions about any of the colors that I use, I'd be happy to share those with you. Just drop me a message. In the meantime, feel free to check out my website at julieoliverius.com, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.